for choosing Air France. Air France Administrative Partners wish you a very good day, a safe journey, if you have a connecting flight. And once again, we apologize for this delay.
Hey guys, this is a quick update for the good friends and subscribers. I just wanted to check in with you with a travel vlog that you don't think I immediately disappeared again right after starting to make videos again. This is not the case, no worries. Thank you all for the kind reactions to the latest videos. Currently finishing this one from an B&B in Paris. Yep, I cannot escape this city. I'm here for EthCC, it's the Ethereum Community Conference. For them it's the edition 5, for me it's the second time. Check out the speakers, I'll link it below. It is one of my favorite crypto events, and not only a conference, but basically a week filled with events. On my end it's completely booked out, so if you are in Paris or catch a live stream of an event, it might be me behind the camera. Say hi. That's it, basically a little shout out to EthCC, while at the same time checking in with you folks. To be honest, I look forward to return home and continue on various projects I started to show you. I feel it's the right time for them. Please hit the like button, stay safe, and see you soon. Bye!